As soon as I left my joint, fucking hailstorm.
Alrighty, let's go get wet.
It's the first thing we do before we set up the tent.
They bucketed down rain last night, didn't it?
Absolutely pissed out.
And they're stuffed up,
And
eh?
they're stuffed!
$17. Well done.
We're on our way down to Howard's Lookout.
Okay, off we go. So now we're heading off towards Whitfield, and then from Whitfield we're going to get some fuel and then head off to Cheshunt. Now I haven't been using my GoPro with the audio setup because of the rain. That's why some of the footage that I've been putting up so far has been without audio. When I say audio, I mean me talking. You might still get some motorbike noise, but Powers Lookout is really worth a visit. It's just a short little dirt ride. You could probably do this on a road bike. It's pretty easy. I mean, if you got somebody coming down here with a freaking caravan, woohoo! The sun is finally breaking through. Hopefully we don't get too much more rain, because I'm over it. I mean, we left Melbourne to get away from it, but we're still copping a little bit here. Yeah, the road from Mansfield to Whitfield, I would highly recommend it on a road bike. It's absolutely sensational. There's a lot of curves and whatnot, and some tight corners, hairpins, you name it. And the road surface is reasonably good. There was a fair bit of debris on the actual road itself, and I would say that would be from the wind being so strong up here, and yeah, it's just debris from the trees and whatnot. Quite a lot of branches down and stuff like that, but otherwise it's been a pretty good ride. So we're now heading down off the mountain and heading into Whitfield. Yeah, look at that, beautiful scenery, absolutely gorgeous. Still have to be mindful of this road. Respect the road, so they keep telling us. I'm glad the road's actually a little bit drier than yesterday. Yesterday we had a fair bit of moisture on the road still from the rain. Okay, so we're down in the valley now. It's actually picked up in temperature as well, a little bit warmer. That's nice. And we're entering Whitfield. So we're just going to stop here now, get some petrol. Maybe even grab a cup of coffee as well. And it looks like the petrol station on the right. Okay, so we got petrol, and now we're heading for Lake William Hovell, which is just past Cheshunt. We were going to stop here for a cup of coffee, but there's just too many people around. And yeah, we feel like keep riding while we've got sunshine. Yeah, so this whole valley, yeah, renowned for its wine and its vineyards. Used to grow tobacco long time ago, and I'm sure it was in this valley as well as the Oven Valley, but now it's all wine. So we're entering Cheshunt, and we've got the King River here. It's supposed to be pretty good fishing. Quite nice, isn't it? So Lake William Hovell is only 17 k's. Yeah, you're going to love travelling on these little country roads. They're excellent. Better than the main highway, that's for sure. Or the main roads. The sun's come out again, which is good. Feels great on the back. It's lovely. So those mountains in the foreground, that's where we came down. That's where Power's Lookout is up on the top there somewhere. It's absolutely gorgeous. Just beyond these trees over here is the King River. You might be able to see it every now and then. And the wineries to the right. Camping area, that looks nice. Right on the river. Beautiful. How good is that? Nice. Nothing better than seeing a nice big lake. Beautiful. I reckon we park up here, and grab and make ourselves a cup of coffee. I got it to jet boil. I can boil up the water nice and quick.
And I'll get the drone out.
Yeah, cool. Okay. Well, you park the bike somewhere. Park it up on there, eh? Darren's leading now all the way to Beechworth, and then we're going to go and set camp and have a look around Beechworth itself. Yeah, not a bad little ride along this valley. Unfortunately, there's a bit of a crosswind blowing around at the moment. and the Kawasaki Versys being a small bike is yeah, it's getting blown all over the joint, but I'm still enjoying the ride. Yeah, the temperature's starting to warm up a little bit, feeling a little bit better. Yeah, you see the countryside's reasonably dry, but there's still a bit of greenery around. I mean, this is summer, but it hasn't been much of the summer this year. Yeah. But the valley now is a lot wider, so we're getting closer towards Wangaratta area, but we'll be turning off before that and heading to Beechworth. Okay, we're now entering a small little township of Oxley. Nice looking pub here. No, it's a cafe. Bugger. I thought that might have been a pub. Well, what's going on here?
I've got to get a drink, Dodge.
Yeah, that's fine. Oh, I might grab myself a cup of coffee. The one that I was supposed to have in Cheshunt and everywhere else. Yeah, that was just a quick stop at Oxley. And got a whole bunch of guys on motorbikes in front of us. Probably all heading to the same place. Beechworth. Or they could be heading towards Bright. We'll soon find out. There goes Darren. Nice old wheelie in front of me. Old Jeep. Pretty cool looking vehicle. So, are we there yet? Well, only another 15 kilometres to go and we should be in Beechworth. So Beechworth is a small little country town. It's renowned for, or was established as a gold mining town, and now is renowned for tourism. A lot of tourists actually go to this town. There's a lot of old remnants of gold mining times around that area, interesting buildings, etc. Well, tomorrow we'll have a good look around. Okay, we're in historical Beechworth. Beautiful little town. A lot of nice old colonial buildings around, or miners' cottages, you name it. We've actually got an old jail here as well. Chinese cemetery. Some nice old pubs. Yeah, great place. Yeah, trying to find a camping ground here. I know it's on the lake, but I don't know how to get to it, so I'll just keep going along here, I suppose. It's a nice ride anyway. You can see the campground in the distance, but whether this goes all the way through, I'm not too sure. Anyway, we'll see you at the campground. Well, we're at the camping ground and there's a line-up. It's only 2:30, but we're lining up to see if we can get a site. I don't think we'll have any problems because it's quite a big caravan park or camping ground.
So yeah, let's check out the campsite. We've got Darren set up over there in the sun. And I'm set down over here in the shade. Well, we've set camp at Beechworth. We're going to be staying here for the night and then explore Beechworth tomorrow morning. Tonight we're just going to go and grab a counter meal at the pub.
Yeah, I'm sure you can go this way. There, won't we? So yeah, we're off to the pub. Grab a can of meal.
Parma,
Yeah, Parma.
garlic bread.
Yeah. Walk out with a 6-pack.
Yep.
Sit back and...
And keep drinking. Nothing wrong with that.
Okay, see you guys later. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, nice frosty.
Cheers.
When I was swapping a license over, they took the wrong box.
So Darren, what's on the menu tonight?
Look at the size of the bastard. Look at the size of the bastard.
You'll manage, don't worry.
Dodger's going to have to roll me home.
We both ordered chicken parmesanas, chips and salad. Let's enjoy. Darren, what have you got in your hand there, mate?
You can tell we're fucking pissheads. I've got mine. Dodger's got his.
Yep.
We're not allowed to open up till we get home.
Okay, not a problem. Here we go.
The chicken parma was amazing. The
Yeah,
beer
it was
was
pretty-
amazing. And we're going back to have dessert.